Contestant number 3, are you here? Can't see.
Is he still in the breakout room?
I saw the message that he's being asked to send.
No, somehow Puneet.
Yeah, he's
Puneet,
joining. Just give me.
Yeah, he is just joining.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've sent a message. Zoom master, please spotlight contestant 3 and unmute him. Contestant number 3, you have 10 seconds to test your audio and video.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Am I
Yes,
audible?
yes, you are audible.
And am I visible?
Yes. Can you see the timer cards?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, loud and clear.
Contestant number 3, Puneet. Do one thing every day that scares you. Do one thing every day that scares you. Puneet.
Ginny Rometty, former CEO of IBM, once said that growth and comfort does not coexist. In fact, there is no growth in comfort zone and there is no comfort in growth zone. Contest our fellow Toastmasters and guests. When I look at this beautiful topic, doing one thing which we are scared and most importantly doing it every day, I'm reminded of this advice which my mentor gave me long time back. See, I was this person who always used to binge watch Netflix, Hotstar, would watch sports, you name it, and I would have anything for conversation. But one day my life changed when I met this person. Now, this person said and introduced me to this habit called reading. Now, believe it or not, I was an average student. If there was a last bench in the class, I would be the last person sitting on the last bench. And that's how average I was. I was never a studious person in the first place. But when I met this person, he told me this golden advice, which I'll never forget. Do one thing which scares you and start with this habit of reading. And you never know what you might find in that journey. After all leaders are readers. And if you want to be a leader in the future, you better learn from the best people. Now, this advice was sensible, but I found it difficult to implement. But my mentor is a tormentor. He would always force me to read, and read. And I would always postpone. But one day, in one of the table topic contests, I flunked miserably. I realized that I don't know anything to speak on. I realized these words of my mentor after the contest, and I decided to take this habit of reading. Now, no doubt I was scared. After all, there are so many brilliant achievements which people have done. But how can I relate with them? But this habit of reading forced me to get out of my comfort zone and, more importantly, learn from the best people. They say you become the average of the 5 people whom you surround with. This one beautiful habit of reading made me to get out of my comfort zone. No doubt I was scared. But this one habit had set me different, and today I am the best version of myself. Take this habit of reading, because reading is to mind what exercise is to health.